ازيكم. How to create online wonderful quizzes quickly by Microsoft 365 and Forms and AI. This important video for all teachers. Let's go. First of all, you have to use search engine like ChatGPT or DeepSeek or Gemini and ask it to create quiz about some learning outcome or topic you are teaching. 30 question MCQ like this one, and it will respond you with the questions and answers. You need the answers also, okay, in your question. So it will be ready in just less than 1 minute. Then you will save these questions and answers in a Word file like this one, and you can edit these questions. You can add questions, you can remove questions, you can edit some questions, and prepare it and save this file and put in some place in your hard disk. And then you go to the Microsoft 365 and open Forms, and in Forms click quick import from here, and from here upload from your device like this. And then where you are saved your Word file, I saved it in download, and my file this one quiz 11 because it's for grade 11. So now he asks you import my file as quiz, not form. You can create form. If you need to make a survey, you can do the same, but you ask ChatGPT or Gemini or DeepSeek the main points in your survey. It will complete and prepare the file, and you will prepare the file and save instead of the quiz. But we are here creating quiz or select a quiz. Now it takes some time to convert the quiz into Microsoft form, and after this form is completed, now you can get the link and distribute this link to your students through WhatsApp group, Facebook group, by emails, and send them when this exam will start and when it finish. Okay, and you will now know how to set the time for this quiz, and after this time the quiz may close or may be open. This is according to your setting. Your quiz has been converted to start review. Okay, now you can edit also. You can make some additions in this form, and we will show you. You have to add here in section 1, insert the name of the student here. Okay, insert text here. You need the name of student, so you can name, and then below this is 0 points, and this is sure it's required. You are need also the ID of the student, ID number, and then also it's required, and then the class name, very important. Any other information need of the student, you can class name. Okay, class name. Okay, then you have here, this is the answer, but you have to do something which is to put the point, and also required. And if you need it multiple answers, so it will convert this to checkbox and press the next right answer. But you don't need this. I don't need, actually. I show you. and so on. Okay, one and required. Then after you finish, you have to go to setting, and here record name, 1 persons per person, specific people, no, all with the link. Anyone can respond, only people لا, anyone can respond. يبقى هنا change دي. Okay, and here we have a start date and the end date. So we'll put here start date will be in I think it will be حوالي هنا it will be in October. No, it will be in October, and the second week in October, Friday 10. Yes, and end date I will not this will be at 7 p.m. so you put the time and the date. Shuffle questions, yes. Disable question number for responding, show progress bar, yes. Okay, okay. Okay, so now all things is okay. Okay, you will do the same with all the questions to put the points and required, and now you need to collect the responses. So you will copy this link, you can shorten this link, copy the link, and this link which is copied, copy the link, link already in your you can paste it in WhatsApp group, in Facebook group, by email, and tell them no that the date and the start date and the time of the quiz, and it will finish after 30 minutes as example. Okay, if you have any question, ask Andy and I'll reply you as soon as possible.